How is business and how do you navigate through this time?
Yeah, so for our last earnings, we reported that we expected to see the second half of the year decline by about $300 million. $200 million of that is related to destocking in the channel. Our channel had expected to grow much in line with the way they had the past couple of years. And rather than growing, what they've seen is more of a flat type sales. Now, that sounds pretty negative on its face, but that's coming off of a 60% growth over the past 2 years. So we're still very satisfied with the sell-through that's in the channel. We just need to get inventory right-sized.
Was there ever a time, you might not admit this, that during the peak of the pandemic when everybody was just fixing up their home, that you and your team and your board or whatever got together and said, man, this pace can't last?
Well, we sure knew that growing at 40% type revenue, which is what we grew last year, wasn't going to continue. But we're still very in the early stages of the wood conversion marketplace. Today, about 25% of decks installed are composite. We've been converting about 200 basis points of share on an annual basis, so we see a long runway ahead of us.
How much are you exposed to new home construction versus people who've lived in a home for 10 years and say, you know what, they live in Apple Pie Ridge right around the corner, and I want to throw a new deck on?
Yeah, a smaller portion of our business is related to new construction. Over 90% is related to repair and remodel. Today, with higher home prices, higher interest rates, we expect that people will be staying in their homes longer, which will continue to drive the repair and remodel. There's about 50 million wood decks out in the marketplace, and all of those decks will need to be replaced in the coming years. And they will all be part of the target market.
So is it possible you're sort of counter housing cyclical? You don't want people to sell their home. You want people to stay put.
Either staying put or selling your home does tend to drive the remodeling spend. But the economic changes that we're seeing this time may drive a few more people to stay in their homes because of the affordability issues of moving up.
What about materials costs? You seen any decline in your input costs, Brian?
We're fortunate in that we buy materials that go into our composite decking is about 95% recycle. What we've seen is moderation in the polyethylene cost as well as wood. At this point, we've not seen a significant decline, but we've also seen it moderate, not seeing those significant increases like we saw in 21.
All right, Brian Fairbanks, CEO of Trex in lovely, historic Winchester, Virginia. Maybe I'll see you at the Apple Blossom Festival next year. Brian Fairbanks, thank you very much.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.